last lesson of Unit 9. What's the fastest animal in the world? Lesson 6. Here we go. Firstly, listening. Part 1. Listen and complete the table. Look at the table. There's one example.
Listening 88. Listen and complete the table. 1.
What's the highest mountain in Vietnam?
Is it in Lao Cai province?
Yes, it is. And what's it called?
It's Fancy Pong Mountain.
That's right.
Highest. Mountain. Highest mountain. Name Fancy Pan. Now you listen and complete the table. Number 2, 3, and 4.
2.
What's the biggest lake in Vietnam?
Is it Ba Be Lake?
Yes, it is. And where is it?
It's in Bắc Con province.
Yes.
3.
What's the longest beach?
Is it Ta Co Beach?
Yes, great.
4.
What's the largest island in Vietnam?
Is it Cat Ba Island?
No, it isn't.
I know it. It's Phu Quoc Island.
Yes, it is. Very good.
Are you finished? Now listen again and check the answers.
Listening 88. Listen and complete the table. 1.
What's the highest mountain in Vietnam?
Is it in Lao Cai province?
Yes, it is. And what's it called?
It's Fancy Pong Mountain.
That's right.
2.
What's the biggest lake in Vietnam?
Is it Ba Be Lake?
Yes, it is. And where is it?
It's in Bắc Con province.
Yes.
3.
What's the longest beach?
Is it Ta Co Beach?
Yes, great.
4.
What's the largest island in Vietnam?
Is it Cat Ba Island?
No, it isn't.
I know it. It's Phu Quoc Island.
Yes, it is. Very good.
1. Fancy Pan is the highest mountain in Vietnam. 2. Ba Be is the biggest lake in Vietnam. 3. Taco is the longest beach in Vietnam. 4. Phu Quoc is the largest island in Vietnam. Secondly, speaking. Part 2. Ask and answer. This is Mr. Park. This is Quang Hai. When stay at home to prevent COVID-19, Mr. Park wants to know more information about famous places in Vietnam, and he asked Quang Hai, "What's the highest mountain in Vietnam?" Fancy Pan. Fancy Pan is the highest mountain in Vietnam. It is in Lao Cai province. What's the biggest lake in Vietnam? Ba bê. Ba Bê is the biggest lake in Vietnam. It is 6.5 square kilometers. It is in Bạch province. What's the longest beach in Vietnam? Charcoal. Charcoal is the longest beach in Vietnam, about 17 kilometers long. It is in Quang Ninh province. What's the largest island in Vietnam? Phu Quoc. Phu Quoc is the largest island in Vietnam, about 574 square kilometers. It is in Kiên Giang province. Now you can practice this structure with your parents, brothers or sisters at home. Thirdly, writing about me. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. Some adverbs of frequency: always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never. We usually put adverbs of frequency before the verb. Examples: I always go to the shopping mall. I never go to the shopping mall. Some adverbs of frequency can go at the beginning or the end of a sentence. Examples: I sometimes go to the shopping mall. I go to the shopping mall sometimes. Sometimes I go to the shopping mall. Part 3. Are these sentences correct? Read and write, tick or cross in the boxes. There is one example. 1. She sometimes plays chess. Sometimes is put before verb play. So this sentence is true and write tick in the box. Now you read and write tick or cross in the boxes number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are you finished? Let's correct the answers. 2. Lamb cooks never. It's false. 3. You watch DVDs sometimes. It's true. 4. The boys always play basketball. It's true. 5. Always I go swimming on Saturdays. It's false. 6. I always go to the lake on vacation. It's true. Part 4. Write about you. Complete the sentence. 1. I always have dinner at 7 p.m. 2. I always listen to music. 3. I sometimes go shopping. 4. I never eat sushi. These are examples. You can write about you by yourself.
Learning and having a good time. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.